The famous Japanese car manufacturer Honda has confirmed to bring the next generation CR-V in the year 2022, which is nothing but a facelifted version. The new CR-V will come with a sharper and more modern design. Honda has made a few cosmetic changes both in exterior and in interior in compared to the ongoing model. The new CR-V has already launched in some of the Asian markets like Malaysia. Honda has a plan to bring this SUV in the Indian market in the middle of 2022 at the expected price between Rs 23 to 33 lakhs ex-showroom. Talking about the power, the new CR-V will come with two engine options, non-hybrid and hybrid. The non-hybrid variant will get turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that will produce 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque. The engine will be mated to an eCVT transmission. The hybrid variant will get 2-liter iVTEC engine with an electric motor, which will provide ultra-responsive acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. The engine will be mated to an eCVT transmission. The SUV will come with an optional forward-wheel drive or all-wheel drive powertrain. The all-wheel drive system will provide the power to tackle bad weather and rough terrain effortlessly. Talking about the exterior design, the new CR-V gets sportier rugged look and receives a minor cosmetic changes. Up front, it gets sleek LED projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, more aggressive gloss black chrome inserted front grille with Honda badging at the center, sleek black air inlets with chrome inserts, updated front bumper with plenty of black cladding, and bumper mounted chrome inserted LED fog lights housing. The side profile gets power heated wall beams with integrated turn indicators, body color door handles, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, roof rail, large wheel hubs with black cladding, and new setup optional 17 and 18-inch crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile receives new set of L-shaped LED tail lights, Honda badging at the center of the boot with thick chrome inserts, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, rear fog lights, updated rear bumper with black cladding with silver inserts, and chrome inserted sporty exhaust. The interior of the SUV has been updated with a number of updated features including airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new silver accented dashboard setup with dash mounted silver highlighted AC vents, D-cut, electric power adjustable leather wrapped, flat bottom 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, fully digital cluster with 7-inch TFT multi-information display, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth navigation system, Honda Link smartphone connectivity, USB port, 330-watt premium sound system with 9 speakers and subwoofer, remote trunk opener, front and rear cup holder, dual zone auto climate control, rear AC vents and USB port, wireless smartphone charger, push button start and stop, remote engine start system, ambient lighting, electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with 8-way driver seat and 4-way lumbar support, rear seats with 60/40 splitting options and bigger boot space with hands-free tailgate. The SUV gets a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, hill assist control, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, speed sensing auto door lock, child safety lock, electric stability control, electric parking brake, Honda lane watch system, auto brake hold, agile handling assist, walk away auto lock, high beam assist, multiple airbags, tire pressure monitoring system, and 360-degree camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.